Nakalimutan mo na ba yan, Miss V? Nakalimutan niyo na ba yung kahayupan na ginawa niyo kay Helena?
May ginawa kami pero huwag ka magmalinis. Dahil mas masahol ka pa sa amin. Don't you remember? Na wala kang ginawa? Your silence killed Helena. Why? Gusto mo siyang mamatay so that you can get ahead.
Dapat pala nung binigay mo sa akin yung formula ng sabon ni Helena. Nagets ko na. That you were just trying to control me.
This is yours. Gamitin mo para sa brand mo. Di ba yan naman ang pangarap mo? This is the affidavit of your statement na nagsasabing walang katotohanan yung claim ni Helena na sexual abuse laban kay Eddie. Pag pinirmahan mo to, lahat ng mga pinangako ko sa'yo, gagawin ko. You will be my successor.
Dahil kahit ako yung pinili mo, hindi ko pa rin gawa yun, Miss V. Gawa pa rin yun ni Helena. Yung pinangako mo sa akin, na ako yung magiging next in line, yung sinasabi mo sa akin dati na mas mahusay ako kay Helena, at yung binigay mo sa akin na mataas na posisyon, but never the top, binigay mo lang lahat ng sa akin yun para lang manahimik ako sa ginawa niyo kay Helena.
At nakinabang ka naman, di ba? You were gladly quiet while everyone tinitingala ka as my next protege.
That made me question everything. Now let me ask you this question. Was there ever a time na totoo yung mga sinabi mo sa akin? That you really believed in me? Did I really deserve to be your successor?
I know that you couldn't be something. I trust you. And you are the top contender to be my successor. Wala nang iba. Ikaw lang yon. Because I see myself in you. Walang Velma Beauty kung wala ka. Thank you for mothering me.
At totoo ba na tinuring mo ko na parang anak mo?
No.
Well, then let's end this. Let's end this contest. Let's end this entire nonsense, Miss V.
You're quitting?
No. You're quitting, Miss V. Dahil ibibigay mo sa akin na ang buong Velma Beauty. Or else, sasabihin ko kay Noreen at sa buong mundo ang ginawa mo kay Helena.
Don't you remember? Na wala kang ginawa? Your silence killed Helena! Gusto mo siyang mamatay so that you can get ahead.
Dahil sa'yo kaya namatay si Helena. Dahil sa'yo kaya namatay si Helena. Dahil sa'yo kaya namatay si Helena.
Shari, totoo yung sinasabi ko. Baka naman, ikaw yung unang lumapit sa kanya at nilandi mo siya, kaya akala niya okay lang. Aminin mo na, Helena. Aminin mo! Aminin mo na may gusto ka kay Sir Eddie. Gusto mo i-replace si Miss Velma, no? Shari!
Kahit gaano katagal nang namatay ang isang tao, napakasakit pa rin nun para sa mga taong iniwan niya. Meron siyang nararamdaman na hindi na naiintindihan.
What?
Beauty, bloodshed. Velma versus Shari.
What were you thinking, Miss Velma? I served you for so many years. I was loyal and faithful to you. Tapos ito yung babayad niyo sa akin? Ang gawin akong kalaban?
Totoo ba na tinuring mo ko na parang anak mo?
No.
Hello, beauties. I'm Shari De Jesus, Velma Imperial's #1 public enemy. All of you may know by now that she has declared war against me. Pero akala niya ata mauubusan ako ng ammunition just because she's more powerful than me. She doesn't know I have a nuclear bomb ready to explode. Handa na ba kayo? Ginahasa ni Eddie Imperial si Helena Alfonso. At tinulungan siya ni Velma Imperial para pagtakpan ito. And there's a possibility that she killed Helena. Ginahasa ni Eddie Imperial si Helena Alfonso. At tinulungan siya ni Velma Imperial para pagtakpan ito. And there's a possibility that she killed Helena.
What the hell is that?
Itong ingratang babaeng to, gustong ilabas tong video na to pag hindi ko binigay sa kanyang CEO position and Velma Beauty. The nerve!
Let's end this entire nonsense, Miss Ian.
You're quitting?
No. You're quitting. Dahil ibibigay mo sa akin na ang buong film, Beauty. Or else, sasabihin ko kay Noreen. At sa buong mundo ang ginawa mo kay Helena.
Demanda natin. Sa ginagawa niya yan, pwede natin siyang idemanda eh.
Hindi pa rin natin mapipigilan ang pagkalat ng video. Ilalabas pa rin to at masisira tayo kahit ano pang mangyari. That's gonna be leading to reopening of the case.
Unahan natin siya. Before anything happens.
Sherry? You weren't clear on the phone. Anong problema, Sherry?
I made a mistake, Alex. I let Velma kill Noreen's sister. That I had something to do with it.
What are you talking about? How are you involved?
It's because I didn't help her. Alex. I didn't do anything. She asked for my help. But then, instead of believing her, I accused her of lying. It's my fault. It's my fault that she's dead, Alex. It's my fault. It's my fault.
Sorry.
No. It's my fault that she's dead, Alex.
Sherry, you made a mistake, but it's not your fault. She's dead.
Alex, I really want to do something, but I don't know what to do.
You can start with telling Noreen what you know.
What? No, she'll kill me.
You know she won't. She needs to know the truth about what happened to her sister. If you really want to make up for it, it's the best way you can do right now.
But Alex...
Sabihin mo sa kanya, Sherry. Oh, I will.
Gino, Migoy, magkakapit kayo ng CCTV rito, dalawa. Sa magkabilang direksyon. Tapos, isa ron sa loob ng bahay. Copy, sir. Jana Charing, tuwing wala si Noreen, siguraduhin yung laging may kasama si Aling Eva, ha? Bawat takbang niya, bawat tayo niya, siguraduhin yung kasama niya yung isa sa inyo, kahit sa CR lang.
Opo, Tatay Chip. Mata kay Aling Eva lang, kopya.
Titignan ko kung kailangan maglagay ng barbed wire dito para walang makapasok na outsider.
Magsalitan tayo sa pagbantay sa labas tsaka sa CCTV. Pares-pares.
Wow, grabe. Daig pa natin yung Malacanang sa security dito. Galing mo talaga, Tatay Chip.
Dapat lang, no? Hindi pwede may mangyari dito kay Noreen. Dahil tayo, guard dogs.
Uy, Dareng. Okay ka lang ba?
Salamat. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Napakaswerte namin. Sa dinami-dami ng mga tao dito sa mundo, kayo ang kasama namin ni Nanay.
Noreen, kahit anong mangyari sa inyo ni Aling Eva, dito kami. Kami ang bahala sa inyo.
Kasi pamilya tayo. Kahit hindi tayo, magkadugo.
At pamilya tayo. Kahit kuripot kang mamigay ng sample products, pamilya ka pa rin.
At poprotektahan natin ang pamilya dahil tayo ang guard dogs.